what's coming up next. And this is going to be, as we stand on the cusp of a defining decade for India, the conversation is no longer about potential. It is about precision, it is about priorities, and it is about pace.
In fact, India's aspiration of becoming a Viksit Bharat by 2047, as envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it demands sharper execution, deeper collaboration, and bold structural reform across all sectors, which is something that the country has already been undertaking. So in that spirit, we now move on to a pivotal moment of this evening, the launch of a report that lays out the top priorities for India's next growth phase.
So this report by KPMG, which is titled Top 10 Priorities for India's Next Growth Phase, Viksit Bharat at 2047, brings together insights on economic resilience, digital acceleration, sustainable infrastructure, managing and manufacturing competitiveness, financial inclusion, talent transformation, and also global positioning, because it is not merely a report, it is a blueprint for action. So let's invite on stage Sir Martin Sorrell, who is the chairman, S4 Capital, and founder, WPP. Welcome, sir, on stage. And as we also take this moment of welcoming again Mr. Yesdi Nagporyala, who is the chief executive officer of KPMG in India. We also have Nilachal Mishra, partner and head government and public services, GNPS, national leader and government and infrastructure, KPMG India, and Mr. Vineet Jain, MD, Times Group, all of them joining us here for this very momentous book launch of KPMG. So thank you very much, gentlemen, for taking out your time. And this is going to be a momentous issue as far as this very moment celebrates the KPMG report launch.
Absolutely, and this is going to have details about India's top priorities and what they should be for the next growth phase for the country, as the country is looking at becoming a Viksit Bharat by 2047. So that's going to depend on a whole lot of factors. It's going to focus on structural reform. It's going to need manufacturing competitiveness. Remember, manufacturing has been a key agenda of this government. We want to build not just for India, but for the world as well. It's going to include financial inclusion, talent transformation, and global positioning.
So MD Sir Vineet Jain is also here. So let's go ahead with the report launch of KPMG. And Sir Martin Sorrell also joined us on the stage. Thank you very much, sir, for taking out your time
and unveiling the report.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate this moment of the KPMG report launch that is taking place on stage.
This is a pivotal moment because this is a report that's getting launched that lays out the top priorities for India's next growth phase. It's called and titled Top 10 Priorities for India's Next Growth Phase. It is a report by KPMG.
Well, the applause must continue, ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate Viksit Bharat at 2047, bringing together insights on economic resilience, digital acceleration, sustainable infrastructure, manufacturing competitiveness, financial inclusion, talent transformation, and global positioning, because it is not merely a report, it is a blueprint for action.
And absolutely, Amita, all of these factors are going to be important as India moves on to its journey of becoming a Viksit Bharat by 2047. We are already the world's fastest growing economies. We have maintained our GDP growth rate, while some of the biggest economies of the world have not really been able to do so. In fact, the IMF has repeatedly reposed its trust in the growth of the Indian economy. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the launch of the KPMG report. This is titled Top 10 Priorities for India's Next Growth Phase. A huge round of applause while the gentlemen over here are launching the report.
Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us here on stage.